God, is this Marina now? I think it is. Yeah, this is really good. He's the man. He's the doctor. He's the doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Çok teşekkür ederim. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. If any problem, you're here.
Yeah, I'm here. You pay for my ticket. Hi, my name is Marina Hayd. Never in a million years had I thought that I would visit Turkey, especially for a dental treatment. I have been here not once, not twice, but 3 times. But before I came to Turkey, there was something that I loved about Turkey. I enjoyed the Turkish drama. And watching Turkish drama, I learned a lot of Turkey. Gerçekten. My journey at Antlara Clinic has been amazing. I had some issues with my teeth, and somehow I found them on Instagram. I called up. I had amazing conversations with them. My husband spoke to them, and we decided then to come to Turkey. When I came to Turkey, I met the amazing group of people at the Antlara Clinic. They made me so comfortable that I never thought possible. I literally said, "Ben geldim," and they really welcomed me. My journey has been amazing. I had an issue with my teeth, and I had a massive gagging issue, and I think that was a problem. But when I came here, I did not experience not an iota of pain. My journey has been smooth sailing. It has been amazing. I came here not once, but twice, and I've come here 3rd time to experience an amazing time in Turkey and at the people at Antlara Clinic. Thank you so much for everything Antlara has done for me. It truly has given me a new life.
Thank you for your great cooperation.
And a new smile. But definitely a new life. And thanks to my husband, Norman. Why would one choose Antlara Clinic? Because they are great, they are efficient, they make you feel comfortable, they are respectful, and it is a safe place here.